Papricha. Happy New Year, Papricha. This is my original poor baby, now grown up. Papricha. Papricha. Papricha, now they are okay with me. Mimi. Papricha. First time again, long time no see, Papricha, because you're always outside. Because before, you're always fighting with this kitty. Now, sorry for the mess, guys, because we are busy preparing the food and for the materials needed later in the church. See you there. See you there, but you are not included, Papricha and Mimi, because it's far, maybe 10 minutes walk. So, next time, tomorrow na lang tayo banding. Ayan na nga. Papricha.